Hi everyone, today in this following video I'll be showing you how you can use Cash App for beginners. So if you're a beginner, in order to use Cash App, first thing first you'll have to install the application. So for that, head over to your respective Play Store and then in the search box type in Cash App. After you type in Cash App, install the application, and once you're done installing it, click the open button, and next page you'll be taken to something like this. Now you begin with creating your account. So in order to create your account, you'll either have to provide in your email address or a phone number. So select either one of it and tap the next button as soon as you're done entering the information. On the other interface, it's going to ask you to confirm the verification code. So for that, it's going to be sent through an SMS or an email, and then click the next button as soon as you're done entering the verification code. On the other interface, you'll be asked to link your bank or debit. If you don't want to do this procedure, you can tap the skip button located right at the bottom, and then you can simply skip the part. Once completed, tap the next button. Since you're creating an account, it's gonna ask you to create a cash tag. So cash tag is basically creating a username. So this is how people will recognize you. So once you've done that, click the next button. As soon as you're done, you've successfully created your Cash App account, and you can begin investing on it. So these were some of the basic steps in order to use Cash App for beginners. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.